Yo, what's poppin'? This very be my first video, you know what I'm saying? My birthday just passed, so I feel like it's the perfect time to post on here and show y'all what I've been up to. You know what I'm saying? I'm always about that money, so I've been on a new money wave, a new money glitch, whatever y'all want to call it. And I feel like this shit been going crazy and it's gonna take me far, so I feel like it's time for me to share it with y'all so y'all can come along with me with this journey, because you know, documenting the journey is the best part about anything, you know what I'm saying? Like, if you document that shit, you can look back at it and be like, damn, I did this, I did that. But with that being said, hey, y'all don't even know who I am. I'm Lil E Sales. You know what I'm saying? Some of y'all might know me from the other journey, but that journey's over, so we're not even gonna talk about that. But yeah, this is my new journey. I hope y'all ready for it because it's about to be crazy. Niggas ready to go far with this shit. So this video is about to be how I made 10K right before my birthday reselling, because I've been doing this shit for the past 3 months, a couple months, and it just started going crazy this past month. And I know what it is, of course, but this shit just crazy because I never had 10,000 in my hand like this. Y'all see this? Like, this is real deal crazy, and y'all can do it too. I'm not no different from y'all. All I did was take the risk. You know what I'm saying? I invested the little cash I had. Now I got a lot of cash. You know what I'm saying? 10,000. It's probably like 10,500 something. You know, I pulled out a 12 ball, but you know what I'm saying, I had to spend it on some of these clips you already see. Yeah. So for my birthday, you know what I'm saying, it was February 4th, a couple of days ago. I went to an Airbnb, I went out to eat, you know what I'm saying? I treated myself because I ain't never get to celebrate my birthday, you know, growing up, you know, not having it for real. So now that we trying to get some, you know, I'm gonna celebrate the fruits of my labor. So all that yapping aside, you know what I'm saying, y'all probably wondering what I did to make this 10K. You know, y'all not dumb. Y'all read the title. Y'all know what I did to make this 10K. For the past couple months, I just been reselling one-to-one products, you know what I'm saying, buy for low, sell for high, and it's made me this 10,000. I started with only $40. Now look at where I'm at. So it just goes to show that as long as y'all take that risk, y'all don't be scared, y'all don't assume everything is a scam, or y'all don't look at the clickbait side of the shit, the reselling, and think it's a scam. That's what a lot of y'all see. Y'all see the clickbait side and y'all think that's the truth, but no, it's really a business model, so y'all got to think of it as a business. Y'all can't think of it as a side hustle or as a Instagram scam, or y'all not going really be successful in this reselling. And I came into the reselling game probably at one of the most saturated times where everybody knows about reselling, but I'm still making sales. So it's not about just, oh, I know how to resell, I've seen a couple videos. It's about actually having real deal saws, real deal vendors, and the skills to sell. So let me show y'all some of these clips. I know y'all see I got some products on already. I got this beanie. It's a little worn already, you know what I'm saying? I've been rocking this motherfucker everywhere. It's too tough. You know what I'm saying? Louis Vuitton beanie. I could never afford Louis Vuitton until I started reselling. Who's about to spend $600 on a beanie? I bought this for 20, so you know what I'm saying? That just means I can still look good for cheap because I'm not spending 600. I spend 20 though. And then like this spider hoodie, buy for 40, sell for 150. You know, the original ones go for 300. So you could sell it for 350 or you could sell it for 150 because they do come with receipts. They come with valid barcodes, everything. You know what I'm saying? My suppliers are high quality, the best suppliers in the game. With that being said, let me show y'all some of these products that got me to be able to even make 10K this month right before my birthday. As y'all can see in my little reselling corner, I got my laptop, I got my 3 monitors set up from another business venture, gaming, that didn't go nowhere, and Temu. We're not gonna talk about that, but as y'all can see, we got 3 monitors here. We don't got no PC though, so they literally just sitting there. So we doing everything. All the reselling I've done so far to make 10K has been from this laptop and this phone right here. So y'all can't make no excuse about I don't got this, I don't got that to start reselling, because you can literally do it all from your phone. I know people who's done it all from their phone and they bigger than me. So let's start with these products. As y'all can see, we got the plain Jane watches. You know what I'm saying? These motherfuckers is high quality, buy for 150, sell. Well, it's around 150 after shipping. You know what I'm saying? They really like 50 plus shipping. They be getting you with that shipping though. Buy for 150, sell for 350 or 500 plus. You know what I'm saying? They that high quality. It hit too tough. The camera don't even want to focus. Hold on, let me stop moving for y'all. As y'all can see, presidential, day just, oyster. And you know, I got the little accessories to go with it. Well, as y'all can see, we got the Audemars Piguet. This motherfucker too tough, silver, blue face. We got Louis Vuitton card holders, female Rolexes. We got moissanite that passes the diamond tester. You know what I'm saying? Let me get my diamond tester out for y'all. Let's set that up while y'all looking at the other products. We got, what's it called? We got colognes, we got more watches. Watches has been my best seller in my opinion, watches and clothing. So that's why I invested my money into watches, clothing, colognes. You know, we also got AirPods. AirPods is never gonna be a bad seller. If you wanna know what 2 products I recommend to start reselling with, because everybody had to start reselling with these same products when they started, it's AirPods and colognes, because everybody need AirPods. They gonna lose them. They gonna need them for the gym, or they gonna break, or they gonna lose one. So everybody's always gonna need AirPods. You buy these for $25, $20 and sell them for 80 all day. You don't gotta sell it for 200 trying to get the same as retail. You never gonna get a sale. It's gonna take you 10 years to get a sale. Or we can go with colognes, which is the same thing. Buy for $20 to $14 if you buy high quantities at a time. You know what I'm saying? Buy for $20 to $14 and then sell that for $200, $250. You know what I'm saying? The colognes can get up there depending on which one you got. Because these get really niche and there's certain colognes that haven't been tapped yet. So that's the ones I'm hiding from y'all. Y'all can't know the sauce. But yeah, you just get all these one-on-one products on eBay, Facebook Marketplace. You use social medias, y'all gonna get a sale in a matter of no time, because not everybody wants to spend 300 of a stack on one piece of they clothing. So, you know what I'm saying? They can get a whole 3 fits for $300 fucking with the reseller. So, you know what I'm saying? 2026 reselling is on the way up. I don't think reselling will ever die, because if a product can die for sure, but reselling in general will never die, because everybody always gonna need new products or something. So you just always adapt to the new wave and you gonna make your money. You know what I'm saying? If y'all wanna make 10,000 like me, go to littleesales.com to get access to all of these high quality suppliers. Like, let me show y'all the passing moissanite. Let me turn it down too so y'all know. And let me move my finger. Yeah, and it goes straight to the top, because these are the highest quality moissanite, GIA certified, so it's easier to get a sale. So let me roll a clip of me going to get this watch size, because lil' bro was comedy. Feel me? I'm in the mall and shit, talking about why I ain't buy nothing from him. Because my goals is too good to be from the middle of the mall. You know what I'm saying? You know where we go. The best shit he got, I don't know, is this moissanite? Is these moissanite? These is duty compared to my vendor. Those is duty compared to my vendor. My vendor can get you way better quality, passes a diamond tester, looks like a real bust down for fucking $750. How much he want? For $750 compared to $200. Well, you paying for what you get, you feel me? You know, I only come here and get the watch size. I would never buy nothing from you, buddy. Wanna see him? Yeah, he said I need about 7 links, so he finally working. He was just sitting here on his phone. See the motherfucker get that Jesus piece. Some of these rings. These is duty. Niggas trying to charge me $45 to get my watch size. You know I go in the middle of the mall. These is not moissanite. My vendor can get you way better quality. I just come here to get my watch size, like I said. You know where we at? Big 500. Ooh, that motherfucker hard. Get a little E pendant with the blue in the background. This shit fire. Oh, you need to hurry up. Get off the phone, cuz. Get off the phone, cuz. Hey. Hey, jackass. Yeah, get back to work. He scammed me, y'all. It's too small still. I mean, it's better, but it's still too small. That bitch still look good, though. I can't go. So I need to get my ass in the gym. Get in the weight room. This is a good replica?
Yeah, good.
High quality replica?
Let me see.
How much would you think something like this is worth?
Can you shake your hand? I want to see ticking. Yes, good.
Yes, sir. You heard that? Best quality in the game. On my birthday, I was a little too teed. I was a little too in the moment, you know what I'm saying? Enjoying the moment, so I forgot to record. I only recorded a few clips, and it's really just showing y'all the products. So I had the products with me, but I was just too in the moment, you know what I'm saying? Definitely wasn't the best way to spend all that money, but you know what I'm saying? I enjoyed myself. I actually got to enjoy my birthday, so I ain't tripping that I spent the money and didn't get no content. But let me go ahead and roll those clips so y'all can see, and I'll get right back with y'all. I made over 10,000 this month just selling one-to-one products like this on Marketplace, eBay, and OfferUp. And just like that, I was finally able to celebrate my birthday and buy this clean kit, you know what I'm saying? Kit matching Too Tough. So if y'all want to know what products I sell to make this crazy amount of money, is one-to-one replica watches. As y'all can see, they come with box bag papers and everything you need to sell them. You know, the old heads been going crazy for these on Marketplace. You know, Presidential Day just I kept for myself. You know, match the kit. And you can get it sized and get it adjusted, you know what I'm saying? It's high quality. If y'all want to get access to the same vendor, link in the description. Go to that link tree. You can go to that Telegram to shop off me, or you can go to my website and get the vendors for yourself, and you can shop off them directly. They are on vacation right now, so they're not gonna text back. So don't think I scammed you. But after about February 20th, they're gonna be back, and y'all can place them bulk orders. I made 10,000 this month. Now I'm halfway to buying my dream car. If y'all want to know how y'all can start reselling to buy y'all dream car, all I do is sell one-to-one products like this. Come closer. As y'all can see, watches that pass every test that the buyer's gonna do. So there's gonna be no problem selling them. The old head love these watches because why they gonna spend $5,000 on a watch when they can get the same thing for $500? So if y'all wanna get access to these same vendors, like I said, link in the bio. As y'all see, my fit was tough, you know what I'm saying? I was feeling myself, had bankroll on me, nice scenery, all that. But you know what I'm saying? I would have never been able to do none of that. Get an Airbnb, save up 10,000 to get my dream car. That was my Brody, you know what I'm saying? He pulled up on me. Always gotta get me right. Let me get some birthday flicks or some content with the whip, cause he know once I get my shit, we gonna be coming back-to-back twin skis. So y'all stay tuned. Dream Whip come in probably a couple months, you know what I'm saying? The way this shit been looking, yo, it might be real soon. None of that would have been possible if I didn't take the risk and start reselling, because I was just like y'all, sitting down watching TikTok endlessly, watching YouTube endlessly, and I ain't know what to do. I ain't have no direction. I was skipping job to job. So, you know what I'm saying? I got me a job. I had me a job. I invested my last couple of checks into reselling. And once I seen a little bit of growth in this shit, once I really knew I could do this shit, I quit my job because that job was really holding me back. Without that job, now I'm able to make more sales, make more content. I'm really able to lock in and turn this side hustle into a full-time business. So I'm able to run this shit up and hopefully be a six-figure reseller real soon. Like I was saying, it's not hard to start reselling. I really started with $40 and invested my money ever since then. And now I just got 10K sitting on my desk on a normal day. If y'all want to start reselling and get access to the highest quality supplies, you know what I'm saying? All clothing, go crazy. I'm about to get a huge bulk in. Y'all know where to go, lileesales.com. And if y'all want to shop any of these products that y'all see, it's shop off of a trusted supplier, US based, you know what I'm saying, 1 to 2 day shipping. Join the Telegram linked in the description. You know, I'll get you right. Damn, you watched all the way to the last 30 seconds of the video. You really trying to start reselling, ain't it? So I got a special thing going for the first 10 people who go comment Jeffrey on my brand new Instagram post, my birthday flicks. I'll send y'all over a free AirPod vendor so y'all can start reselling without having to buy the vendor, and y'all gonna have more money to start y'all journey. You know what I'm saying? Go get right, first 10 people, since y'all really locked in and y'all watched me all the way to the end. And since you here, you might as well like, comment, and subscribe, and comment on this YouTube video. When's y'all birthday? Because, you know, mine just passed. I want to know when y'all's birthday is. I'll see y'all in the next video, though. If y'all want to get in contact with me or ask me any questions, just text me on Instagram at Lil E Sales. You got to make sure you follow me or your DM will go into the hidden requests.